Okay, guys, so I'm quickly going to show you how you can get access to Notion Premium subscription for almost free, like at a very cheap price. And when I say very cheap, you can literally see on my screen it says $3.09 per month. Compared to the original price they're charging, this is ridiculously cheap. So the first thing you have to do is to click the link I dropped in the description. If you don't go through that link, this is not going to work for you. And please do not come here and complain about this website legitimacy if you don't follow the rules. The link will normally take you to the home page of this website, so browse through it and find Notion in the list. If you can't find it, click on the search bar at the top of the home page and search it. Once you find it, just click on the labeled text in red under Purchase Now that says View More Details. When the checkout page is loaded, choose the amount of time you'll need it for, which is set to 12 months by default, and I recommend you leave it like that. Select the account type, which is also set to private by default. Then turn the button that says Activate Auto Renewal on. That will make the subscription automatically renew itself when it's coming to expiration, or you can turn it off if you want. Depends on you. Now click on the little up arrow below at the right of Join Now and click on where it says promo code or coupon. Then type the code JAAKF to get an additional 10% off. Once it's all done, click on Join Now. And from here, enter your payment details to proceed. If everything's done right, you'll receive the account details to log in your email. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you tried this and it worked, don't forget to leave a testimony in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next video.